Hi everyone, this is a video to show you how to access the online textbook for the IB Physics 1-2 course. So you can see we're in the home for IB Physics 1-2. If you go to modules, under the resources module, there's a digital textbook link. In there, it says you'll need to click this link, create a login to access the textbook. It does say AP Physics, but don't worry, physics is physics. All right, so I already have a login, so I'll just log in. You will need to create a new account. Once you log in, this will be your landing page, okay? This is a little bit confusing. Where is the textbook? Where you will want to go, there are two places that you can find it. There's Read, Study, Practice right here, or you can click on Read, Study, Practice up here. I won't be giving you assignments loaded into this. I won't be accessing the grade book or anything. If you really want and you've got the space on your computer, go ahead and download the e-textbook, but you can access this online. So I'm going to click one of the Read, Study, Practice links. Okay. Now, there are a lot of links here about math stuff, and that might be confusing. There's simulations, animations. Don't worry about that. The most important place to go is this drop-down menu. It says Introduction Math Skills, but if you drop down, you'll be able to access each chapter. So let's start out with Chapter 2, Kinematics in One Dimension. You can click on each section. If I ask you to refer to a section in your textbook, I'll label them as like the chapter and the section. So 2.4, if I wanted you to access information about equations of kinematics for constant acceleration. There's a concept summary. And typically when I give you an assignment, I will give you some focus on concepts questions or some problems. Okay, so we can click on one of those here. And the problems I'll give you are always these. And in the regular textbook, they're at the back of the chapter. So if I click on problems, you will see exactly what you would see in your textbook. Except here, every odd problem has an answer. Okay, so you can check your answers. Sometimes a problem will have an answer and a worked solution. And even sometimes there will be a video, a chalkboard video of the problem with one of the authors of the textbook narrating the problem being worked out. Okay. So this online textbook is pretty helpful. All right, if you're in the regular textbook, these answers to odd problems would be in one of the appendices. Okay, please feel free to let me know if you have any questions or drop a question in the discussion on Canvas.